Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. In today's video, we're going to tell you exactly what happens in the first few minutes of your driving test. What should you be expecting from the driving examiners and exactly what you need to be doing when you go to the driving test center. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School. When the examiners come out, they're going to come out exactly on the dot. So if the test is at 11:11, they'll come out at 11:11. Don't be daydreaming. I know you're nervous, but be ready for them to call out your name. Once they come out, they'll say, is for example, Sue Barker here? And be ready to jump out and say, yes, it's me. Or they might say, it's Cristiano Ronaldo here. Be ready. Don't be sitting around dazed. Then, they don't want to call out your name a couple of times. So just be ready, okay, guys? One question you could ask is it important to dress well? Is that really necessary? When I started the job, I actually thought it was. I thought, even myself, I thought, let me dress up quite smart. But the examiners don't really care how you dress, I notice. But I don't think it hurts to look a bit presentable. Don't look scruffy. But I have noticed that they don't really care how you're dressed or anything. Maybe because they've met so many people that it's just nothing that they concern themselves over. And when they come to you, they're going to check your documents, your ID, your provisional license. They're going to make you sign some insurance papers. Is it important to shake their hands? Is that necessary? I would say don't stretch out your hand to shake their hands. Let them do it first, okay? Because I've seen sometimes the student try to shake the hands of an examiner and the examiner didn't reach out to them. And it just looks really awkward. So I would say they'll come to you. They'll call out your name. If they want to shake your hands, they will. If they don't, it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean it's a good or a bad sign. It's just, they actually advise not to shake the hands of students. And then you guys are going to walk together outside to the test center and they're going to check your eyesight. So make sure you've checked your eyesight that you can read about 4 to 5 cars length away, which is 20.5 meters. So a nice way to assess is count 5 cars in front of you first, see if you can read the number plate. If you can't, count 4 and then see if you can read the number plate. If you cannot read 20.5 meters, they will terminate the test there and then. You're not going to do your driving test. So I would say to you, go check your eyesight in advance. If you got a slight problem with them, make sure it's 20.5 meters. I've actually had one student, so we checked my student's eyesight. They were completely fine, but on the test day they couldn't read the number plate the examiners asked them to read. And I was baffled because the day before or the week before we checked and she couldn't read it that day. So then what the examiners did was they got a measuring tape out, measured 20.5 meters, and then my student was able to read the number plate. After she passed, she did pass again. I know it sounds like all my students are passing, but they do. So I asked her, how come you couldn't read the number plate? And she just said, I don't know, maybe I was nervous. So that was a slightly freak situation that I've experienced myself. So make sure you guys can read the number plate, 20.5 meters, which is roughly 4 to 5 cars length. Anyway, I'm going to end it there. There's so much more I could say. There's so much more information that I could possibly give you. But we don't want to make it too long and make it boring because it is exhausting listening to me and taking all this information in. Do watch our other videos. We've made so many videos giving you guidance how to pass your driving test, giving you tips on how to impress your driving examiners in different methods, different ways. Subscribe to our channel, FM Driving School. Do like and share. And we also got our driving site up, fmdrivingschool.co.uk. Go check it out. There's so much more information on that site. Thank you again for watching and take care.